Okay, this one here we're going to do the hub. So there's lots of ways of doing this. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with the circle part. See how they do circles here. Then they do some lines off the quadrants and kind of offset some stuff. So let's go ahead and get started on this first, and then we'll get onto this drawing next. But we have to look at the second drawing to get the sizes of these circles. Okay, so circle sizes are here, and then we're going to draw them. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go. The OSNAPs you should be using are endpoint, probably midpoint, center, quadrant, and perpendicular. Okay, so make sure you have the first three, quadrant and perpendicular on. Okay, so let's get these circles made. Doesn't matter where, just get started. So D enter 1.5, repeat circle. We got 2.5, 3, 3.75. Oops. So next one is D enter 2.5, repeat circle, D enter 3 enter, repeat circle. Was it 3. Was there 3.5? Let me double check that. I don't think there was. 3.5. Yes, 3.75. Okay, so first one, second one. Oh, that was D enter 3 enter. I had that. D enter 3 enter. I'm getting myself confused here. 0.75. Yeah, 2.5, 3, 2.5, 3, 3.75, D enter 3.75, and then D enter 5 enter. Okay. The second one, I think it is in hidden. Okay. Let's go ahead and offset this outside one. O enter 0.25. Okay, go here, section, line, quadrant to quadrant. Then this one here is actually a center, quadrant to quadrant, or perpendicular is fine. Okay, get rid of this outside circle. We have that. Now we're going to draw these little things in. So it says use to draw the section arrow. What's this guy doing? Use the fill. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's take a look up here. I'd come up, turn on that ortho on. I'd come up maybe a little bit, maybe get an idea, maybe something like that. Go to the midpoint, come out kind of far, like that, and come back. Take that ortho off for me right now, and then right there. Okay, erase. Let's fill it in. So that's the hatch button. Make sure you pick on the solid. Okay, oops. So you should pick on your pattern. Make sure it's see if this one here, like this, other, solid. Okay, pick points, click inside, enter, click OK. Good, I like that. So let's just go ahead and copy this guy. And I'm going to grab it this time from the top and bring it down here. Okay. Okay, so we have that. Now here's the more trouble part. Since it's symmetrical, we'll just build the top one and then we'll just mirror it. How's that? So let's just go ahead and drag this guy, take on my ortho on. Just drag him out like that. And let's go ahead and get all these lines out there. So we got, just go ahead and drag them out. We'll fix the Oh, that's right, I said I wasn't going to do the bottom stuff, just at the top. So we can just do a mirror. Okay. What's that? Alright, so click on line. Let's come down to... Is that too close to start the line here? See, it's giving me the midpoint, but just come up here and then come down because I don't want to. And then we'll just shorten these lines to the perpendicular. Oops, I just moved it, but yeah, do something like that. Okay, this will be our starting line right here. So this first line is the 3.75, so that goes to the second circle. So this one here, let's go just drag these guys to the second circle. That one goes there. Okay. And then actually I could have here, do this first. Trim this piece. So let's get rid of some lines. And then we can bring this guy down to there. Okay, so that's this line right there. Remember, we're starting from here and we're going up. Okay, so at the 3, we got to come in 0.75. See that 0.75 right here? With the circle of the 3. So the 3 circle, which is this one, bring them back. And then how far we got to come? Actually, we don't need, we need that location, but I'm just going to click on line and then come out 0.75. I don't need that line no more there. Okay. So that's that line, and then we come straight down to the center line. So just give me a line that comes down perpendicular. Okay. So let's go ahead and trim some of this stuff out inside. Get rid of that, get rid of that. We can get rid of that. Okay. Let's trim this piece off too. That's the 3.75, yeah. Okay. So we have that. So we got this piece. Well, let me double check. Yeah, that's the top. Okay, let's take a look at this piece right here. We got to come up to the top, but what's this distance right here? It's 0.63, 0.63 subtracted from 1.75. So that's 1.26. So 1.26 from this, it's 0.49. So 0.49. That's how far that line is going to be going there. So let's go ahead and do this. I don't want to lose that spot. Oops. Oh, it's actually this one here. That's not the 5, is it? Yeah, it's here. So from here, erase that line, and then we got to come in, like I said, how far? 0.49. 0.49. Okay, and then we come up. And then you can go ahead and just drag this guy to here. Okay, so that's that. Comes up. Now this line comes over 0.63. So 0.63. It's 0.63? Yeah, I guess it is. 0.49 up to the 5. Yeah, okay. Then we got to come down this distance right here. So the distance from the 5 to the 2.5. So that 2.5, I'm going to draw that line back in there. So where's the 2.5 guy? Is this the 2.5? I think this is the 2.5. Yeah, 1.5, 2.5, 3. Just double check. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so bring him down to there. That's this piece. Then we got to come over 0.63. So I'm just going to come over. We can get rid of this line. So it's 0.63. Okay. That's that piece. And then we came down straight down to the line. So come down to here. Okay. What do we got to do with this thing right here? Take a look. And then just like it comes right there. Okay. So let's bring this guy back to there. Okay. Now, to get this little pattern looking deal, use the hatch pattern ANSI 31, scale 1, angle 1. So let's do that. ANSI 31. So hatch, my pattern, ANSI 131. Angle 0, scale 1, yeah. Pick points, click inside, yep. Enter, click OK. Let's make this hatch, actually hatch. Okay. I think we're ready to mirror it now. So, select it, mirror button. Go ahead and click on here and then just bring it down. Click, enter. Okay, so we got that. This line here, let's do this 0.125. We'll do this. See how that line kind of sticks out a little bit here? Sticks out here. So we came out 0.25. So we'll go O enter 0.25. Come out. Come out. Bring this guy back to there. Actually, we got to bring this guy back out there then too. O enter 0.25. Enter. And we'll trim this. TR enter. Get rid of the stuff in the middle. Good. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay. Z enter, A enter. Right. And then now, don't worry about those leaders right there. But we definitely got to get these guys in here though. So let's go ahead and put these dimensions in here. So dim. 5 comes out 2.5 and 1.5. Okay. It's actually got the diameters. So here's percent. These are all actually a little bit bigger looking too, those dimensions. Alright, here's how we're going to need to put in this diameter symbol. So there's lots of ways of doing it, but one way is go ED, enter, click on it, then you're going to go percent D. No, I guess it's percent C. Percent C? Yeah, percent C. That gives us the diameter symbol. Okay, let's go ahead and do that again. Actually, we just copy it now. So we go ED, enter. Copy. Actually, there's a button in here that does symbols too. So there it is right there. Okay. So here's another way of doing it. Just go ED, click on it, then you can go to the symbol and go diameter. Alright, that's another way. Do you want to save your text changes? Yeah, of course I do. But then don't worry, so we're going to make these guys smaller in a sec. So again, ED, enter, click on it. Diameter. Yes, I do. Okay, what's the size of these dimensions here? I'm going to take a look at this real quick, because those are a little bit too big, see that? So go modify, since we're going to change everything. Let's go text height, let's go 0.125. 0.125. Okay, close. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so make sure you go 0.125 for your dimensions on that, okay? Yeah, that looks like something what they have. And they actually have 3 zeros here too. Boy, we got a lot to do on this, don't we? So we got to go back to here too. We're going to go to modify, go to primary units, and make sure precision is set to 2 as well. And go OK, close, and that changes it to 2 decimal places. Okay, so there's those. Let's take a look at the top ones now. Here to here, good. Looks like they went from here to here. And where'd they put that? They put that 0.63 inside. So use that dimension text edit button. Shove it in there. And this 0.63, we got to shove it in there as well. So dimension text edit. Shove it in. Okay, those don't need diameter dimensions because they're not circle sizes. Then we got to do okay, another dimension here. So the 0.75. Oops. Where'd they go? Yeah, they went from there to there. Okay, let's do that. Here to here, break it down. Where's that 0.75? It's inside. So dimension text edit. Shove it inside. Yeah, the arrow's popping out, so like that. Okay. Now we got those 2 diameter dimensions. Let's go linear. Here to here, 3. Here to here. And then again, ED, enter, click on that, go to the symbol button, diameter. Okay. Click on that, diameter. Okay. And May thinks we got it. Okay, again, there's lots of ways of doing it, so not too bad though.